Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to fulfill one of my friend's request, how to digitally render in Procreate. So this is a portrait that I have drawn. This is one of my friend. So I thought I could give some gift by drawing some portraits like this. So please follow me along in this tutorial. So come on, let's do this. First of all, we need to select a reference image so that we can draw on the top of the image. So the selection image should have enough details so that we can detail all the different parts of the face. So once the outline is ready, you should start shading using the values of gray, just like you do in paper using pencil. So people who does traditional pencil art will be able to do all these things very easily. Once you get the hang of Apple Pencil and the surface, you start to draw like a pro. So just be patient and start detailing all the parts. Do not worry about making the portrait perfect. So this is a good way you can start doing digital renders in Procreate. The key is to observe all the things in a very positive way. Like every minute details really matters a lot, because those features are the features that makes the person's face special. So you just start doing all these things naturally, and in following videos I will try to cover a very detailed manner of teaching this Procreate. Tool to make the skin tone on the top of the shaded parts. After this thing is ready, then we should start cleaning up the edges of the hair in the overall image, and we should start using highlight brush to add highlights to the different parts in face, like nose and cheeks, especially cheeks. So this thing will make the portrait special. So as a final touch, we add lip gloss to the lips, so that the lips actually pops out of the portrait, and we should whiten the teeth using the same tool. So after all these details, we can start cleaning up the edges, that is like the basic edges of the hair and the face. So it's good that we clean up all those parts so that our image will pop out from the background. For the final details, we can add some bokeh effect to the portrait. After that, our image is ready. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So I know this is not a very detailed tutorial, but in future I will be covering up more tutorials explaining detailed step by steps. So I hope you guys will make some portraits of your friends and give them. Until then, I'll see you later in next video. Bye. So if you like my videos, please support me by clicking subscriber button and the bell icon for the weekly updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.